Good morning, afternoon, or evening. My name is Caleb Kenner, and this is my mechanic for the project Tornamental. I want to do a light themed mechanic. So there is tile based light and light rays and mirrors. Um, at the moment of the project, I don't have everything working as it should, but I have enough to show you the basic how things will work. So let's first start with the grid light. The inspiration I got from this is like games like Minecraft, um, who use almost like each tile or block gets a value of light that's applied to it. Um, in Minecraft, it smoothes out the light to make it seem a little bit more natural, but the values are on each block are still the same. Every tile, I edited the source tile, and every tile has a boolean for source light. Checking this immediately gives that tile uh, the value of 3. And as you see now, the tile is a brighter orange tile to signify that it's lit. Also, the tile source light, the source tile distance is 0 because this is the source tile. If I were to compile right here, did not update the surrounding tiles to reflect that. So the tile next to it says, well, no, it's not source tile, tile light level. Source tile distance is 1, and then tile level 1, source distance 2, and then tile distance 3, source light is 0. And then the rest of anything further than that is not counted for because if it's 0, it can't spread to the next one. And that's how it would look in the during runtime. And then the mirror, right now, functionally, it just rotates. But when there are you can concentrate regular light to a beam, and the mirror can reflect those beams, and that's how that mechanic would work. To show more detail on the tile itself, going into the tile floor, I put this into the construction script, so the designer can see the changes being made while editing. So in the function handle tile light, um, first it hits a sequence so that after everything that gets done on the first execution line, after that we'll set the tile materials. If the source light, if the tile is the source light, then automatically set to 3. That's how it was that we saw it before. And then this checks the neighboring tiles to see if they're lightable. And if so, then light set tiles. This repeats for all neighbors and the neighbors' neighbors. The tile light level, we'll take the light level of the original tile, the source tile, and subtract that and reset and then set the tile light level of the current tile being checked. And then increase the distance of the source tile distance. And then down here is saying if the source tile distance is greater than 3, then automatically set the tile light level to 0. I plan on having some more code afterwards to add more use cases for this tile and for this mechanic. But for right now, in these early stages, this is what I have. Next, we're going to go into the mirror. The mirror is super simple. On event direct, rotate the mirror. I do this by having a mirror rotation value that gets incremented every time you interact with it, and then a boolean checking to see if that value is greater than 3. If it is, reset the value back to 0. After that, I take that same value, mirror rotations, and plug it into an enum to set each direction for what's what. So left forward is so if the light ray hit it, it would go either left or forward, and so on and so forth for each direction. And right here, I use the same enum to set the rotations of that mirror. At the moment, this is everything I have for the grid light mechanic. I'm really excited to show you guys what further things I'll be implementing, and how this would essentially work in a level is there'd be two players, or the player would control two pawns, and one pawn could walk through light fine, and the other one could not. The one that could not would be able to phase through walls and certain entities, but could not pass through any type of light. And the one that can pass through light obviously cannot go through walls and/or entities. So using them both, switching, getting a key to switch between both of them, you have to figure out puzzles to get to the end of the level. Thank you for listening to my talk. Have a nice day.